Welcome to chapter, Use of Preposition instead of Adverb. Look at this sentence, he went to inside the house. It doesn't sound quite right, does it? That's because inside is already an adverb. It tells us where he went. We don't need to say to inside. We just say, he went inside the house. Remember, words like inside, outside, upstairs, and downstairs already tell us the place or direction. So we don't need to put to before them. Let's look at more examples to understand better. Let's go over some more examples. She ran to upstairs. That's incorrect. Upstairs is already an adverb. So we just say, she ran upstairs. Next one, he went to outside to play. Wrong again. Say, he went outside to play. Another one, I looked to everywhere for my book. The word everywhere already tells us the place, so we say, I looked everywhere for my book. So here's the rule, when the word already shows the direction or place, like upstairs, inside, or everywhere, don't add a preposition like to before it. Now let's practice and review what we learned. Here's the rule, if a word already tells you where or in which direction, like downstairs, inside, or everywhere, you don't need to put to before it. Let's fix these sentences. 1. He went to downstairs quickly. Nope. The correct sentence is, he went downstairs quickly. 2. She came to inside the room. We say, she came inside the room. 3. They looked to everywhere. That should be, they looked everywhere. Simple, right? You've just learned how to avoid this common mistake. Great job! Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.